If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I never checked any of like the teasers or anything, but let's go. Who's the doctor? Knock, knock, knock.
여보세요?
여보세요? What the hell is he wearing? Is that a bag? Oh, I don't know.
어디가 불편해서 오셨죠?
What? Oh, heartache? Broken heart?
Doctor, doctor, help me. 나게 해줘 너 때문 in love sick. 너 아니면서
Of course.
It's the LOV
Emergency. Oh, that's clever.
병일 거야 분명 가빠진 heartbeat 멈추지를 못해
No.
너를 향한 이 애타는 마음 It's the 하나멜 열이 나 열이 올라 심장에
Oh, the little light up of the stethoscope, I think it's called.
해지는 기분 yeah 넌 내맘 몰라 yeah and I
Oh.
give it all yeah I won't
Oh, that hair though. Hey, okay, I see you. No.
Oh baby 너뿐인가 Doctor doctor help me 나게 해줘 너 때문에 love sick 너 아니면
Okay.
소용없었던
I didn't expect. Oh,
It's the LOV emergency
what the hell?
너만이 내 곁에 놀 수 있어 깊어지는 heartache 그래 역시 이건
LOV eternally.
Yeah, she calling me a heater. Don't know why I'm a
Whoa.
matter. How do I handle your eater? Yeah,
Whoa.
I messed it up. Mo, shit, I'm stressing up. Wenji.
That's a break of the heart. Like the mirror.
Tough for the moon, tough for the wall.
Ooh.
The boom, 차오른 heart. 너 말고는 없어. 유일한 answer. And I give it all. Yeah, I will give it all. 이 미래주는 건. Oh, baby.
Oh. Oh my God, Ricky. Whoa. Whoa. I like the vibe of this a lot. I didn't expect it. LOV emergency. Oh, was he good? Where? Call him back. What we doing? Emergency. Where you at? Call me back. LOV emergency. That's not it. Is that it? Oh, what? There's more. There's like a minute more.
그런 식으로 얘기를 해. 아니 네가 생각하는 그런 거 아니라니까. 아니야. 알았어, 일 끝나고 전화할게.
Can I say? Wait, whoa, wait 1 second. Can I re-look at?
아니 네가 생각하는 그런
Is
거
that what you think?
아니라니까. 아니야.
Is the
알았어,
game?
일 끝나고 전화할게.
He having some troubles, bro. No. Damn.
파이팅입니다. 파이팅.
Aw, that's cool. Dang, that was fire. Zerobaseone came through with Doctor Emergency. Oh, love LOV Emergency. That should go hard.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.